Hi, this is Vizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to see your insight, how to check your insight on Instagram account. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Instagram Insights is a free tool inside the Instagram app that provides you with data about your followers, engagement, and reach. Instagram Insight is only available to accounts that have been set up as a professional account, a business or creator. So before you check your insight, you have to make sure that you have switched your account type from personal to a professional account or business account. And here, you can go to your settings on the upper right corner, three lines over here. You can just scroll down. You can choose on your account type and tools. You can change your account. And after that, after you change your account to your to professional or business, you'll get a dashboard on your profile. You can just tap on that to check your insight, or you can go in here on the upper right corner, three lines over here. You can just scroll down and your insights and tool section. You can check on your dashboard in here. So in here you can check your views, like your how many views you get from your followers or non-followers, the audience, and for last 30 days. Or you can choose the time range, and also you can check the interaction. You can check how many new followers that you get for last 30 days, and also like this, here's all the tools, so you can check all your insights in here. It's very simple, right? So that is how to check your insight on Instagram account. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.